Hello, friends. Good morning. Hope you're having a great day. Have fun, guys. Today, we are going to discuss some of the functions from text stories, the basic text functions like lower, upper, proper, and we will discuss why it is applied and how does it help in the real-time environment. So, for example, you say you have some data, you say here in the employee name field, you have some data. You see Mohan Verma, Banerjee, Nita Singh, Tali Pandey, Mohit Sharma. You see, now if I want to convert everything into the lowercase, so how it works? So you need to write equal to, you need to give the command, select the range, close it, enter. You see, everything is converted. Now, select everything, Control D, you see. Ooh, it's fast. You see, everything converted into lower. Same way, if you want to convert everything to upper, equals to upper, select the range, close the bracket, enter. You see everything is upper. Go down, select everything, Control T. You see, it's so easy. Everything is converted to upper. Now you want everything in proper case. So this is how it goes. Proper, bracket, select the range, close it, enter. You see, Mohan Verma. Now everything is good. And select everything down. Copy the formulas, Control D, you see, we are done. So this is, guys, how it works, lower, upper, and proper case. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe it, guys. We'll have a lot of fun. We'll make learning a fun, a playground. Let's play and learn. Thank you, guys. Have a great day ahead. Enjoy.